Hello students, in this video we will discuss about validating statements. Here there are four methods given how to do validating statements. First is, if P and Q are mathematical statements, then in order to show that statement P and Q is true, that means how to tell us P and Q are true or not. First step will be show that the statement P is true. First we try to show first statement, that means P statement is true, then show that statement Q is true. Is it clear? Now second method, statement with or. If P and Q are mathematical statement, then show that P or Q is true. That means here first step will be by assuming that P is false, so that Q must be true. Or second statement, by assuming that Q is false, so that P must be true. That means out of both statements, if one statement is false, then another statement will be true, or one statement is true, then another statement will be false. This should be showing. Third method is statement with if then. Prove that statement if P and Q, we need to show that any one of the following case is true. Step 1, by assuming that P is true, prove that Q must be true. That means if P is true, then Q must be true. By assuming that Q is false, prove that P must be false. First step by the direct method and second step by the contrapositive. And the last statement with if and only if, prove that the statement P if and only if Q. Here two steps are given. First step is if P is true, then Q is true, and if Q is true, then P is also true. Now in the next video we will discuss about contradiction.